Are you looking for a way to drop your quarter-mile ETs by nearly 5 seconds? Then you need to check out NOS's new Moonshot 20-stage 3,500 shot nitrous system. Kits are available for 4,150 or 4,500 carb-style manifolds, and they're the perfect way to wake up that sleepy small block. Moonshot nitrous kits include everything necessary to take down that top fuel dragster this weekend. With the included 50-pound nitrous cylinder, there'll be more than enough throttle in a bottle to take on whatever lines up next to you. Moonshot nitrous kits are equipped with NOS crosshair plates and feature 4 double-down feed bars to improve distribution and atomization. But since when is 4 bars enough? Our motto is go big or go home, so we've included 10 crosshair nitrous plates with our Moonshot kit. That's a total of 40 nitrous spewing spray bars. And to keep your Dominator from going into orbit prematurely, we'll be using 4 of our patent-pending Grade 8 carburetor studs. And to make sure all that happy gas makes it into your engine, we've designed our largest solenoids yet. They're fed by -16 AN lines and can empty the bottle faster than you can say too soon, Junior. Act now, and for only 10 easy payments of $34.99, you too can own your own Moonshot nitrous setup from NOS. That's less than $1 per 10 horsepower. This deal's just too good to be true, so don't settle for second place. Order your Moonshot today. If you'd like to know more about owning your own Moonshot Nitrous Kit, visit us at nosnitrous.com. Oh, and happy April Fools from your friends here at Holley.